Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit in Google Stitch. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what you need to do is head over here to this dashboard. So this is the main dashboard for Google Stitch. And then here on the left side, you will see your some examples or recent that you worked on. So let's open one example right over here. Now you will see here we have bunch of options, so we can choose here whatever we like, just like that. And now, as you can see here on the right side, we have some toolbar here. So mark, then we have direct edit, and we have upload files to Canvas and so on. Okay, so the first option is that we can click on direct edit, and then we can click on one of these tabs right here, and yeah, direct edit. Also, we have option of an AI. So if you click on specific window here, so let's say this tab right here, and I press edit with AI, you would need to see here, sorry, let's close this one here, just like that. Now we can go here when we select direct edit, we go here at the top, modify, and then click on edit, just like that. All right. Um, Now double click on text boundaries to rewrite copy directly onto the frame, or use the panel to swap out image assets manually. Alright, for complex structural layout changes, really rely on the design agent locks at the bottom of the workspace. Right here we have agent locks. So what we can do is we can, let's say, for example, put here in this prompt, because we selected here something, hinge. So I put it in now, and you will see here on the left side, this small window is basically AI agent, and now it's working my prompt. So it will take a few moments to finish. And now, as you can see, we have now here this tab here that is applying a forest green theme and translating a button copy to Spanish for the our release landing page. So as you can see now, is basically translating into the Spanish and um, applying a forest green theme. So we can edit this way, as you can saw. So we can use this manual thing here on the right side, and we can go with in AI. You have here prompt below. You just need to click on one of the tabs right here, and then type in something about it, what you want to change on individual windows here. And this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the